This is a jansa. This is what it looks like when you grind it, because you have to grind it before you use it. So we're going to use it, mix it here, and prepare porridge, which is a gome and a jansa meal. Look at it. Remember I showed it to you and it was looking like corn. They've done the grinding and this is what it looks like.
Initially it was like this.
Yes, look at what it looks. Initially it was like this, but after grinding, this is what you get. So that is it. We'll keep moving. So guys, you heard it. One of the major things for preparing, what's that meal again we want to eat?
A gome.
A gome.
Plantain.
A gome means plantain. That's what we want to eat. And one of the major ingredients is a jansa. And the people of...
Come and...
Okay.
One measure. Money.
Now, well done. Okay, this is a jansa.
Yeah.
Oh, well done. So, okay. What is it like? Is it like corn or like a busi or? What is it like? Okay. Does it taste like corn or?
Give taste for any kind of food. Any
kind of food. Whether you want to use it for pepper soup.
Or
one is prepared,
oh yeah, the best. Okay, what it does is they give just scents to the test. Okay, test. Okay.
And they make that a gome, the sauce, the thick.
The thick. Okay.
I did it more preferred.
After grinding, it look like granite.
And this is what people of this place, that is their own listing. It's not like it's imported from other places.
No,
that's what people of this town are known for.
Yes.
Okay.
They harvest it here.
Thank you very much. Give us one cup, I beg.
Are you using it for experiment or maybe?
Yes, well, I want to eat it with plantain. A jansa. That is a jansa, guys. You have heard it. A jansa. A jansa is used for garnishing meals, giving meals taste. A jansa. And that is what we want to do. The people of this community, they do a plantain with a jansa. That's what they are known for. It's every other meal that they cook here, we know it outside this community. But what this community is known for is the use of a jansa to cook. And that's what we want to do. So we just came here now and we bought a jansa from this local shop. So guys, the natural food, native food of the people of Agbokim community, that is the waterfall community, is a gome and a jansa sauce. A gome and a jansa sauce. And that's what we're going to prepare. Look at that, starting it here. A gome is just called plantain. A jansa is food seasoning, just like you have maggi, just like you have dawa. It's also close to egusi, but this a gome, a jansa is here to make sauce. Okay. And that's what we're going to be using. Look at it. That's what we prepare. Look at it. So I'm going to be having a gome with a jansa sauce, and we're preparing it, and that is the food of indigenes of Agbokim community. It is the native meal of people of Agbokim community, and I'm going to be enjoying it right here in Agbokim community. So that's the ingredients again. Tomo, a jansa, that's what we call a jansa. Look at it. Tomo, fresh fish, onions, maggi, a gome, which is the plantain, and then natural olive oil.
Now who carry kitchen knife here? Who carry kitchen knife?
Now this is a jansa. A jansa. This is what it looks like when you grind it. This is what it looks like when you grind it, because you have to grind it before you use it. So we're going to use it, mix it here, and prepare porridge, which is a gome and a jansa meal. Look at it. Remember I showed it to you and it was looking like corn. They've done the grinding and this is what it looks like.
Initially it was like this.
Yes, look at what it looks. Initially it was like this, but after grinding, this is what you get. So that is it. That's the jansa.
Yes.
So why are you adding water?
I want to mix it.
You can't pour it that way.
If you pour it some, maybe it will be hard to scatter. One is crayfish and pepper. You can blend it or you pan it.
But you don't pound this one.
No, if you pan it, the tea will not be easy to do. How we grind it? Or you can use grinding stone to grind it.
Grind stone, yes. So how do you know the quantity to add now? You will know.
And according to you know.
Okay, according to the quantity of plantain. That's it. That is it, guys. That is it. A gourmet prepared with a jansa. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Time to dish it, guys. So that's it. That's okay. That is it, guys. A complete plate of a gourmet with a jansa sauce. A gourmet means plantain. A jansa, this is a native food of people from Abokim community. It's momo, ice fish and everything. Oh.